Hello again. So last time I said I was going to be making these steps. So you had two of these little side pieces, three long guys, three thicker long guys, light paper, and I managed to use more of the partial pieces for cutting that stuff out. So the long pieces, you just fold up the two sides, and so the back is free. These little edge pieces you cut around what doesn't glue to the wood. And then with this one, it looks like they're right up against each other, and the piece that I cut, they kind of had to be right up against each other, but I had a hard time cutting them apart. I couldn't get the knife in between. I ended up bending it back like that and then cutting it. It was kind of difficult, so be careful. Make sure it's completely dry when you cut these apart, because it was tight. So then the way you put them together, this is still drying, but you'll see it goes short piece, I mean like the thinner piece facing out with the step above it all the way to the back, and then the thin piece again, and then the step above it all the way to the back up to the top where it meets the edges. And this looks like I'm gonna pop it all apart, aren't I? Looks like it could be in a little more. Let's hope I didn't screw that up. So there you have it. Cute little staircase. And that's going to be, I think it's this on the front. Pretty sure. So, next thing is the bulletin board. You need two wood pieces and just some paper, a couple of paper cutouts. So, the wood pieces, I believe they're in a bag 3. Where did I put the other one? I moved it. Yeah. When I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing, I moved some stuff around on accident, so I may get confused later. But this is pretty easy to see. I'm not going to get confused about that one. And then N28. Not on this sheet. Oh, that's this guy. There's N28, K8. You must see some scary stuff. Bunch of leaves to cut out and glue together eventually. Well, was it on this one? Oh, there it is. K8. So I will be cutting those out. Let me get going on that while we're... So this one's right on an edge of something that I previously cut out, so I can just pop that off. So there is K8. Where did my knife go? There it is. Okay, and now to actually cut them out really nicely. And then as far as what you're gonna do, let's see, go to the next page and find out. So I'm gonna glue this and that on the inside of the front, and then just glue the back on at an angle. And that's it. Okay, so I guess that's it for this one. And well, let me look into the next one, and I could do both of those. So the next one, wood pieces, brown paper from bag number 1. Bag number 1. 5, 6, 3, 2. This is part of it. It says Simon's Coffee on it. This is 4. Where's bag 1? Bag 1. Bag number 1. Brown paper. Unless that's... No. Bag number 4 does not have brown paper. Well, I'm going to have to think about this and see if I can figure out what I'm missing. Okay, well, I'm saving that for next time then. Thanks for watching.